Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to send BNB from your Tangem wallet to Metamask in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and secure. With the latest updates in wallet tech, it's easier than ever to manage your assets across platforms. Let's jump right in. First things first, ensure you have both your Tangem wallet and Metamask set up. Tangem is a hardware wallet for top-notch security, while Metamask is your go-to for easy blockchain interactions. Start by unlocking your Tangem wallet using your PIN or biometric auth. Once inside, navigate to the Assets section and select BNB. You'll see your balance, double-check it to avoid any surprises. Next, prepare your Metamask wallet. Open the Metamask extension or app, and make sure it's connected to the BNB Smart Chain network. This is crucial because BNB transactions need to be on the right chain to succeed. If it's not set, switch networks by clicking the network dropdown and selecting BNB Smart Chain. Now, back to Tangem. Go to the Send or Transfer option, enter the recipient address from your Metamask wallet, copy it directly to prevent errors. Input the amount of BNB you want to send, and don't forget to check the gas fees. In 2025, with improved blockchain efficiency, fees are lower, but always review them to keep costs down. Hit Confirm on Tangem, and you'll get a prompt to verify the transaction on your device. Once approved, the transfer will process. Head over to Metamask and refresh to see your BNB arriving. This whole process should take just a few minutes, but remember, blockchain times can vary. A quick tip: always double-check addresses and use hardware wallets like Tangem for sensitive transfers to protect against hacks. If you run into issues, reach out to support or check official docs. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more crypto tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.